Hi all of you. Today we are going to learn a new chapter about new numbers. The name of this chapter is New Numbers. You already learned about different kinds of numbers. Do you remember that type of numbers? So now we are going to remind that type of numbers that you have already learned. In olden days, people wandered and collected food from nature. At that time, they required only natural numbers, only to count people or domesticated animals. Okay. Later, they started cultivation and they settled and they built houses. So, people want to count or people want to measure the area of the land or the area of the houses. For that, they invented decimals and fractions. So, in modern age, there are so many kinds of numbers. So, here we are going to discuss one kind of that numbers. For that, I am going to take a square. This is a square. And the length of one side of this square is 1 centimeter. You can take this one side as 1 meter also. That's your choice. So, this side is 1 centimeter. This is a square. So, the length of this side is also 1 centimeter. Now, I draw a diagonal here. Now, I want to find the length of this diagonal. Here, you can see this is a triangle. This is not only a triangle, it is also a right angle triangle. And I am giving the name as ABC. This is a right angle triangle ABC. Now what I want to find? We want to find the length of AC. Length of diagonal, that is length of AC. What we use for that? How can you find the length of AC? You already know about Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. So we can write here AC square is equal to hypotenuse square AC square, that is equal to base square, that is BC square, base square plus AB square, altitude square. This is equal to, here BC is 1 centimeter. So, the length of BC is 1 square plus length of AB is again 1. So, I write 1 square. This is equal to 1 square is 1 plus again 1 square is 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That is AC square is equal to 2. Then what is AC? AC is equal to root 2. AC is root 2. Here, look at here. Is 2 a perfect square? No. What are perfect squares? 1 is a perfect square. 4 is a perfect square. 9 is a perfect square. Etc. etc. We can write so many perfect squares like this. So, what is the difference here? You learned about root of 1, root of 4, root of 9, square root of 9. Here all these numbers are perfect squares. But here 2 is not a of x square. Okay, and the length of this AC is root 2. So we write here root 2. So in this chapter, we are going to discuss about this type of numbers.